Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix iPhone is findable and won't turn on. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. So let me tell you that if your phone is very low and you have turned off your phone due to the battery and you want to charge your phone, and now you want to turn it on and you have plugged in the charger and it's showing that iPhone is findable and it's not turning on, then I'll show you how can you fix it. So let me tell you that you have to connect the charger for 10 minutes and wait if it's turned on or not. Okay guys, so you have to wait for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes hopefully your phone will be turned on. And if it's still not working for you guys, then what you have to do guys, just simply you have to remove the charger. So let me remove the charger. Now from here guys, what you have to do is just simply you have to make sure that if your iPhone, if your charger is from Apple, okay guys, if you're using any temporarily cable, then you have to make sure that if you are using the iPhone charger, and if you notice any dust here guys, just simply you have to remove the dust from here and also remove the dust from the charging port. And after that guys, what you have to do is just simply you have to reconnect it again. Now after reconnecting it guys, check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you have to do guys, just simply you have to hold the power button and the volume up button for 2 or 3 minutes, and after that guys, it will be turned on. And if it's still not working for you guys, then what you have to do guys, just simply have to wait for 10 or 15 minutes and make sure that your charging cable has good quality. And after that guys, try to plug it again and hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.